Hello students, today we will read our first chapter, Life and Survival of Plants. In this chapter we will discuss how the plants survive in different climatic conditions and different areas. So let's start. Plants are like living things, just like human beings and animals. Different types of plants grow in different places. They have different features in order to survive in those areas. The special feature that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place are known as adaptation. The region where a living thing lives or grow naturally is called its habitat. Students, what does plant mean? We all know what does plant mean. Plant means trees. Usually plant means trees. Plants are like human beings and animals. There are different types of plants in different areas because different types of climatic conditions we have in our country. The special feature that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place are known as adaptation. Adaptation means an special feature that allow any plant or any animal to live in a particular place. It means a particular place or a region is known as adaptation. The region means the area. The area where a living thing lives or grow naturally is called habitat. So habitat means the area where any living thing grow or lives naturally is called habitat. According to the habitat, there are two types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants, students, terrestrial plants means those plants that live and grow on land. These are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants means the plants that grow on the surface of the land are known as terrestrial plants. We have different kinds of plants in different regions like mountain, forest, plains, desert. On the basis of the climatic condition and on the basis of the soil, again terrestrial plants are divided into four parts: plant in desert, plant in hills, plant in marshes and plant in plains. First point is plant in deserts. Desert means the area where the climatic conditions are hot and dry. Desert receive very little rainfall. Students, you all know there is always a scarcity of rainfall in the desert. Very few plants grow there because desert receive very little rain. To obtain water from the soil and to prevent water loss, desert plants have the following features. They either have very few leaves or no leaves at all. In such plant, photosynthesis is carried on by green stem itself. They have spines instead of leaves. They have thick and fleshy stem that can store water. They have long roots that go deep into the ground to absorb water. It means desert plants have some special feature that allow them to survive in acute scarcity of rain. In desert, only those plants can survive who has the ability to live without water. They have very few leaves. Sometimes they have no leaves. They have spines. They have thick and fleshy stem that can store water. They have long roots that go deep into the ground to absorb water. You can see there is a picture of a cactus plant. Usually you see cactus plant grow in desert. Some common plants found in desert are cactus, prickly pear and date palm. These are the plants that found in deserts. Now comes plant in hills. Hill means the area. Hill means a mountain area. The plants that grow in hilly and mountains adapt themselves to survive in cold conditions. They have needle-like leaves with waxy coating. They have sloping branches through which snow slides off easily. These trees have cones instead of flowers. Trees such as pine, cedar, fir grow in hilly areas. Plants in hills means the plant that grow in mountainous region. The plant that grow in mountainous region are known as plant in hills. Only the plant that are able to survive in cold condition can grow in hills. Example of the plants: pine, cedar, fir. These grow in hill areas. Look at the example, it is a cedar tree. They grow in hilly areas. Now come plant in marshes. Marshy places have sticky and clay soil and plenty of water. Such areas are also called swamps. The roots of the plant growing in marshes are unable to get air. Therefore, the roots of these plants come out of water and soil to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots, and the plants are known as mangroves. Especially the Sundarban mangroves are example of such plants. Plant in marshes means the plant that grow in sticky and muddy area where there is a plenty of water. The plant that grow in swamps are known as plant in marshes. A special example of it Sundarban mangrove. You can see here is a Sundarban mangrove. It is an example of plant in marshes. Plant in plains. Climate in plains is neither too hot nor too cold. As in hilly areas, plants receive moderate rainfall. Trees in these regions have thin and broad leaves so that they can capture a lot of sunlight to make their food. These trees shed their leaves during the winter season. Trees such as mango, banyan, peepal, neem grow in plants. Plant in plains. Students, plant in plains means the plant that grow in plain areas where the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Here, plains receive moderate rainfall. Trees in these regions have thin and broad leaves, and that's why they capture a lot of sunlight and they shed their leaf during winter season. For example, mango tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, and neem tree. So, students, I hope you all have understood what does plant mean and what does terrestrial plant consist of. Please write your name and class in comment section. Thank you.